Guys, we have some cold weather coming on its way here in a couple of days, 2 or 3 days, going to make its way down here to the southern Gulf Islands. I had given you guys my predictions several months ago. I guess it was several months ago. Time flies, I lose track of time. So what you're looking at there is one of our Stevenson Screen weather boxes housed with weather recording instruments, okay? You don't put these near any heated buildings. So anyway, this is in our upper garden, and it's so many feet off the ground. And so give me your predictions. How cold do you think it's actually going to get here at our location on Salt Spring Island? My prediction is nothing colder than 20 degrees Fahrenheit, so minus 6.5. If it does drop below that, there's nothing much we can do about it. There's nothing we can do about the cold coming down either. It does put some plants to the test, and definitely gives me something to shoot a video about because I love weather. So give me your prediction, leave your comments below. I watch our forecast like a hawk, I always do, and I still get people sending me the forecast here. Joe, did you know it's going to get cold? Yes, of course I know it's going to get cold. I've been at this location for 3 decades. I've been gardening at my other location a long time too before I moved here, so I know all about cold weather. So I've never lost a eucalyptus mountain gum here in this location, and the December 2008 freeze apparently nuked everyone on the mainland. So just goes to show you the difference in temperature here, out here on the island where we are compared to the mainland. All right, so leave your comment below, and I look forward to seeing them. And I just don't feel like going up there and showing the weather recording instruments in there, but it's full of them. We have 2 Stevenson screens, and that is an official Stevenson screen for sending the signal back to the data back to my Oregon Scientific monitor in the house. All right? Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos, and look forward to your comments. Cheers.